Okay, ladies, so this is how you make a heart stencil for your eyebrows. Today, my eyebrows not gonna be black, it's gonna be pink. Yes. Okay, so what you do is you're gonna take black string and you're gonna put white eyeliner on your eyebrows. Make sure you brush those things out because you wanna have them nice and smooth. Okay, so this is the stencil. You're going to line out your eyebrows with the white pre-ink string. Well, it wasn't ink, it was white eye pencil. But okay, you carve out your brows, the bottom, the top, and make sure you get the tail in. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to give you a nice stencil for when you fill them in. Okay, left side, right side. I don't get the bottom too much because I just kind of use my judgment. Okay, all right, so I filled them in with the same white brow pencil I used to put on the string. All right, I did both sides. Okay, this is my heart stencil I drew and cut out. So what you do is you place it on wherever you want to have it, you know, on your brow. All right, so I put it in the middle right here, and you press it down with a safety pin so it can stick. Choose your color. Today I'm going to be using the pink, light pink eyeshadow on the front so it can give it a gradient effect from light to dark. All right, and I took the dark pink and I kind of pat it in. Be very careful when you pat it in around your pink stencil so you won't pat it off. Okay, take some tweezers, take it off, and voila, it's so cute.